Welcome back to Cooking with Cass. Today we're going to be making hearty halal beef tips with mashed potatoes. We'll start by bringing 3 pounds of quartered Yukon Gold potatoes to a boil and cooking those until softened. Once those were cooked, we threw them into a stand mixer with 7.5 ounces of chive and onion cream cheese and mixed it until the cream cheese was fully incorporated. Then we'll stream in about 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk or until the potatoes hit your desired smoothness. This is my favorite way to make mashed potatoes, and it's amazing with our beef tips. Speaking of, we're going to start by seasoning our beef with 2 teaspoons of thyme, then some salt and pepper to taste. I chose to cut up one of our chuck roasts for this, but it would probably be faster to pick up Midamar's halal beef stew meat. Once that's all seasoned up, we'll head over to our Dutch oven and brown all sides of our beef in about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or other neutral flavored oil. I like to use peanut in place of vegetable oil as it tends to be slightly less pungent. Once those are good and browned, we'll remove them from the heat and set them aside for now. In the same pot, we'll melt 2 tablespoons of butter and fry 1 large yellow onion that's been diced. Don't clean out the pot, we want to impart the beefy flavor into those onions. Once those are slightly softened, we'll add 3 cloves of crushed garlic and cook that until fragrant. Now we'll add a 1/4 cup of flour and mix that until the onions are totally covered and the flour smell is dissipated. Once that smell has gone away, we'll pour in 3 cups of halal beef broth and 1 tablespoon each of Worcestershire and soy sauce. Alternatively, you could use 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire and it would still turn out great. We'll mix that up, season with salt and pepper to taste, then add our beef back into what will become our gravy. We'll bring that to a boil, then drop the heat and let this simmer for about 1 hour, being sure to stir every 15 to 20 minutes until it's thickened into a smooth gravy and the beef is tender. If you start to run out of liquid in the Dutch oven, stream extra broth in about 1/4 cup increments or check your beef to see if it's tender. Once that gravy is thickened, it's ready to eat. We hope you enjoy this dish and we'll see you next week for another tasty halal recipe.